Hello guys, so as some of you may know, NodeShelf is an add-on that I've been working on that helps you manage and transfer node groups inside and between blend files. So you install the add-on and you have this interface. What's new in this version of NodeShelf is that there were some bug fixes and there was a new feature called NodeShelf Tools that contains tools that will help you with your experience in geometry nodes. So for the transferring and management of node groups, it's done based on the idea of packs. So you can create a new node pack and you can call it whatever. You could call it like math nodes, and you can assign any thumbnail you want to it. So it can be any image on your desktop, and of course you can rename it and so on. And you can see that this pack has no nodes or no node groups for now. So you can create a new node group. Let's say you have a node group that you work with constantly. We could call it like new group or something. And let's say you want to keep this node group saved so you can use it whenever you want in Blender. I would just have to save my file first, and then I can save this node group to the pack that I've created or to a pack that I already have before. And I have to have this node group selected and then press save group. It will take a second, and then you will see that it gets added to the list of groups that is in this node pack. So if I go to another one of the packs that I have, I can see that this one is called calculations pack, and it has some groups like matrix multiplication, evaluation grid, and whatever. So you can load these node groups from this pack that I've already saved using another blend file. So I could have autoplace on and or off, and I could either load the whole pack or just the select moving forward. But for now, I want to present to you the idea of NodeShelf nodes. Okay, so what are nodes? They are basically just like comments that you can have on your geometry node setup, and they're on the node editor, and you can like edit them and write whatever comments you want, and you can stick them to like the nodes and have them move with them. Let me show you. So for example, I want a new node that is black, and I wanted to say this needs to be bigger or something. And I can add a node, and you can see I can drag it and I can put it wherever I want in the node editor, and I could like have a different one with a different color, and it can see and it can say something different, and you can see that it snaps to the nodes. So for example, I want this comment to be connected to this group output node, and when I move it, it moves around with it. And let's say I made a mistake, I made a typo, I can just select this comment or this node, and I can rename it to whatever I want. Right, and I can click rename and it will rename it. I can also recolorize it if I want. Right, and I can still move around the other nodes and stick them also, and connect them to other nodes as well. So you can do a lot of things with this. You can also remove the nodes, of course. You can duplicate the nodes, move them around. Right, so this is the idea. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think about the add-on. Thank you.